Hi friends! Would you like to put this puzzle together with me? It's a picture of a carousel or a merry-go-round, and on the carousel there is a lion, an elephant and a horse, and there are little kitties on the backs of the animals too. We can also see some stars, some clouds, and a hot air balloon. And we can also see some trees or bushes. Now, all the pictures that go with this puzzle are here, all the pieces. So let's try and put them together. We'll start with this piece here. And I can see that I think that piece goes there. It's the yellow flag. So we'll just pop that right there, and wow! We've done our first piece of the puzzle. Let's keep going. Let's do this piece next. What can we see on this piece? We can see a lion's head and part of a little girl. Where can we see a lion's head here and a little girl wearing a purple top? Does it go here? No. What about here? I think it might go here. Wow. Pretty good. Let's keep going. Let's use this piece next. What can we see on this piece? We can see 1, 2, 3, 4 horses' legs and a little horse tail, and we can see some plants here. I think it goes down here. Let's try it. Yep, that's right. Oh, we are doing so well already. Thank you so much for helping me put this puzzle together. We're having a lot of fun. Let's try this piece next. What can we see on this piece? I can see most of an elephant. And where can we see an elephant over here? Is it right here? That's where the piece must go. Let's see. Yep, we got that right. Hooray! We're doing so well. Let's do this piece next. This piece has a purple balloon and some stars. Where can we see a purple balloon and some stars? Here? No. Here? No, but look, I think it might go up the top. Yes, it does. All right, look, we've got some more pieces. What is this piece? This one has a little boy on it with a pink top and yellow pants, and what animal is this little boy on? Is that a horse? Ah, look. I think that might go right here. Let's try it. Oh, hooray! That is amazing. Thank you so much for helping me. We've got 1, 2, 3 spaces left. And we've got 1, 2, 3 puzzle pieces left. Let's choose this piece. What can we see in this piece? We can see a cloud and some stars. And what colour is this piece? It's mainly blue. And there's some red and some yellow. Now, where on the puzzle can we see some clouds and some stars? Will it go here? No. What about right in the middle? No, then it must mean it goes here. Hooray! Oh, we are doing so well. Let's try this piece now. This piece has green on it and 4 legs, and they're yellow legs, and I think they belong to this lion. So let's try. All right, we've got 1 piece left. You can see it's the little girl with a ponytail, and you can see the top part of the carousel here. And guess what? There's only 1 space left. So I think it goes right here. Yay! Oh my goodness, thank you so much for helping me do this puzzle. We did a really, really good job. If you want to see more puzzles, go over to my channel. I've got lots of puzzles and books there. I'll see you in the next video, and I hope that you'll join me for another puzzle soon.